I mean, it's hard to talk about monitoring and not kind of delve into security, absolutely.
Yeah.
But Azure Monitor is the central place that you can look at logs, metrics within Azure. I mean, underpinning that is log analytics. It's kind of the central database, if you like. It's where you can stream all your data to. And you find that log analytics underpins quite a few different Azure services, Sentinel, for example, and again, we'll come back onto that when we talk about security. But Azure Monitor sits on top of that. Within Azure, you can do metrics. So you can view things like, my CPU's running hot, am I using too much memory, all the way through to logs, what's actually happening within your environment, those text fields as well. Just as Jamie said, we can stream that into dashboards, visual representation of that. Azure Monitor can do that, Log Analytics can do it. We can also do that with Grafana as well, if we wanted to. Microsoft's a very different company these days to what it used to be. It used to be very, very closed. You can only use Microsoft services and Microsoft ways of doing things. Microsoft is very, very open these days. So if you want to use these kind of open source third-party platforms, you're more than welcome and able to do that. Alerting as well, we can connect up into things like emails, obviously, ITSM, so if you've got ServiceNow, you can stream all of those alerts directly into your service tools. And webhooks, so if it's not got a connector already written, then obviously you can just write that and get it connected into whatever you want to. So it's very, very flexible. A bit more deep dive than that, if you wanted to monitor something like your web applications, so you've perhaps got a web app, multi-tiered application, and you want to be able to monitor things like performance or click rates or error rates, things like that, you've got application insights, which gives you that real low-level live monitoring and performance analytics as well that you can see. And again, very, very visual. It shows you straight away where you've got problems in your code or in your web apps.